uppercut.
Hello people, good afternoon to those who watch my last video in YouTube. Thank you so much, and to my 6 subscribers, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will enjoy my upcoming videos or incoming videos that I'm going to be uploaded. Okay, so today my video is all about my garden. So I have a small garden in my house, and I planted not so a lot of veggies, and right now I will going to show you what are those. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope before we proceed to our next, you will subscribe and hit the notification bell button so that you will be updated again. And I will be thankful if you will be watching. And this time I will going to show you what is the weirdest things that happened in my small garden. And it's kind of weird, not because it's my first time to have a garden on my own, but it's weird because it's my first time that I saw them doing like that. Okay, let's find out. So I will show you what vegetables that I found out. Like, I don't know what happened after the rain. So let's find out. Welcome to my small strawberry farm. So they are like that. Before, yung dahon niya para siyang yellow green, but this time para na siyang dark green because of the rain. And this one is the mother plant, and nagkaanak, meron na siyang daughter, another runner, then yung runner na to nagkaroon din ng runner na ganyan, and marami na siyang create. This one meron na siyang runner too, at yung maliit na runner meron na ring runner, and so on and so forth. So bali 12 na yan sila lahat, and I'm hoping that this year dadami na sila, baka magkaroon pa ng 50 to 100 na puno. Sisikapin natin. So that is the weirdest or the weird things that happen after the rain to my strawberry. Malaki na nila, and I'm hoping na sana mamunga din siya kaya na ng iba. Yung pipino ko sobrang liit. Nako po, sobra niya talagang liit. But if you open the leaves, so isang puno lang yan, walang sanga. Yan, isang bunga, 2 bunga, 3 bunga. It's weird. It's my first time na nakita ko na ganyan yung pipino, unlimited sa bunga. And then pagkatapos sa ganyan, meron din ganito dito. Tapos sa taas, meron din. Yan, ayan, ang dami. And then eto rin, ganun din. Kahit na maliit yung after ng ulan, meron na siyang bunga. And ganun din dito, oh. It's so unlimited. So why is this happening? Maybe because of the brand, the variety. Ewan ko. Basta I'm so thankful kung magbubunga din yan. So salamat. Next one, sobrang liit pero may bunga. Imagine this one. Wala siyang yung dulo. Para pagkatapos ng niya, meron na siyang bunga agad. Tsaka may maliit na ang tawag dyan? Sanga? Oh, you're weird. This is my own new planted pepinos before the rain. So I need to do that because kung mataop siya sang ulan, mamamatay siya or mapatay siya. Oh, another one. So isama ni siya ka mga weird. This one is also weird because see that? It's so big. Mahaba na. Mataba pa. Malaki pa. Maybe it happens because of too much water. Because pipino is maraming water. Para siyang watermelon din. It's cucurbits. Kaya madaming water yung kailangan niya. So siguro nakuha niya lahat ng water sa ulan. Kaya lumaki. Weird. Another weird thing that happened in my garden. This is, oh my goodness, I can't believe this one. So, eto, napakaliit lamang niya. Ilang dangka lamang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pero meron na siya. Bulaklak. Nagpa-flower na siya. Maliit pa siya sa akin. Oh my goodness. It's so small. So short. And this corn has already a tassel. Not just one. Marami pa sila. Meron na silang mga flower. Pero maliit lang yung ewan ko rin doon. Bakit nagkaganyan siya? This corn is aged maybe 30 to 40 days. 30 to 40 days, pero ganyan na siya. May bulaklak na siya. Ayan o. Is it weird? Or ganyan lang talaga sila? Mataba naman siya. Wala naman siya sigurong calcium deficiency. Wala rin siyang nitrogen deficiency. So, bakit ganyan? Bakit ganyan? Diba? So, hello to my alugbate. They are grown big and strong. Ayan o. Ang laki. 1 finger. 5. Malaki siya. Hello sa kamatis ko. After the rain, meron na siya. Yes. Malapit na siyang mamunga. Malapit na siyang magkakaroon ng flowers. Okay. Another one. This is my new onion. This is not an onion spring. But talagang onion na siya. Onion bulb. So yeah, that's it. And I hope you feel weird already as I am. Pero siguro sa mga agricultural na nagtatanim na, it's not already weird. Pero sa akin, weird. Kasi ngayon ko lang nakita na ganyan. And again, thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed. And I hope you subscribe and hit the notification bell button so that we will improve later on our videos in our garden. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Mabuhay!